Hey guys, so welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can get the owl pet and then the hedgehog pet and so on and so forth. So you'll need to collect moonlit fruits, moonlit plants. You're just going to collect the ones that have like the do I have any here? They have like this like purple aura slash smoke looking thingy. I don't know if it's this one. It's very hard to get. Sometimes you do have to like plant them and wait for them to grow in the the night event, which is in 39 minutes. Let me see if I have any to show you. Okay, I don't have any to show you right now. But it looks purple. Let me see if there's any around. Okay, here. It looks like this. This is just an example. Obviously, I'm not going to take as or trade. I don't think I have any right now. But what you're going to want to do is you're going to go here. You're going to talk to the owl. And then it says, give me moonlit fruit to get more lunar points. Then you're going to just say, take my like lunar plants here. Sorry, moonlit plants. Take all moonlit plants and then you'll get some lunar points. And you'll get some free rewards. As you can see, I've only got the hedgehog and one rare seed pack. I think I got like a mint last time. You can also purchase, I don't think you can actually, but let me see. Rare eggs, 600. Oh, I might just buy that. Anyways, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.